you struggling to get your first 100 followers or confused about how the gifts and diamonds actually work on Tango? I was, but I've actually cracked a code on how it actually works. By the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a full and complete guide on how things actually work on Tango. And by the end of this video, you are going to be able to know the 3 critical settings every new Tango users must actually enable in order to start earning on the app. So right here is the app. So let's say you don't have the app on your mobile device. You can simply go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for Tango. Click on the app like this and get it installed. So right here is the app. After installing it, you need to go ahead and click on open. So in order for you to actually register into your new account, so let's say you don't have an account on Tango, in order for you to create an account on Tango, you can actually use your email or your Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Google like this and select my Google account. So when you do that, looking right here on the screen is what the home page of your Tango account is going to appear as. So this is the first thing you need to take. Right here at the top left corner, you can see the profile icon. So you need to go ahead and click on that and expand this section where you need to add more details to your profile. Click on the pen icon at the top right corner like this. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says name. So you need to clearly add the name here that you can actually remember. So let's say Daniel Fix. Then looking right here, you can see the image right here. You can click on that and click on generate AI avatar or select avatar. You can actually use an avatar generated by AI, or you can actually select an avatar. So let's say you want to select an avatar. You can click on that and it is going to direct you to your gallery where you need to go ahead and find the picture you want to use for your Tango and select the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and select this picture here and click on done. So when you do that, looking there, you can see where it says about me. You can go ahead and add that detail right about you. Set your gender to either male or female. Click on set your date of birth and select your language type, the language you understand. Go ahead and select that right here. So once this is done, you can go ahead and click on the good icon at the top right corner of the screen. Show that you're done with editing your profile. So right here is my profile and this is the video I've uploaded on my account. So let's say you want to upload a video on your account. You can easily go ahead and click on add post like this and click on add moments, and you can go to your gallery and select any video on your gallery, or you can click on create video like this and you'd be able to record and create a video and upload it on Tango. So looking right here on the screen as well, you can see where it says end 23. So if you click on that, this is where you are going to see the amount you've actually earned so far on Tango. So let's say you want to withdraw the money you've actually earned so far on Tango. Looking here on the screen, you can see where it says add withdrawal method. So you can simply click on that and add a withdrawal method. So if you're confused on which withdrawal method you should actually select, you should select any withdrawal method. Any withdrawal method right here can actually work. Now if you're from Nigeria, you can go ahead and select bank transfer and add any bank to the Tango. Looking here, so you can see Payoneer, you can see Visa, you can see Pepper, you can see Paxmo. You can select any card right here. Now while adding your details, you need to make sure you add them correctly, because that is where your money is going to be transferred to whenever you want to withdraw money from your Tango. So let's say you want to go live. Right here as well, you can see the go live button. You can easily go ahead and click on go live like this. So when you click on go live and click on go live, you'd be able to go live on Tango. Now going live on Tango is actually very good. It's actually the most important and interesting part of using Tango, because that is where you might actually get gifts. That is where you might get more followers by just simply going live. You need to be going live at least 4 times in a week in order to get more followers and gifts on your account. Those gifts is what you can actually convert to real money and transfer them into your bank accounts. So that is what you need to know about going live and setting up your profile right here. So let's say you go back to the home page Looking here on the home page, you can see a lot of videos that people are actually posting, and also the live of people as well. So let's say you click on match like this. When you click on match like this, you'd be able to see some people that are actually going live already, and you can actually click on any of them and join them, request to join them, and they are going to allow you if they want, and you'll be able to go live with them on their live stream. So right here on the screen at the bottom, you can see where it says for you. This is actually for you, and this is what you're going to be seeing on your for you page. These are people that are recommended to you, maybe based on people that you are following or people with high profiles on Tango. So at the bottom as well, you can see following. So when you click on that, looking right here are the people that you've actually liked their live or video, and they are suggesting their live or video for you here. So you can actually click on any of them and you'd be able to see what they are currently doing on their live stream. So this is it. At the bottom of the screen as well, you can see where it says explore, but before that, looking here on the screen, you can see the video icon. If you click on the video icon like this, it is going to direct you to this place where you can actually click on go live or select party and go live as a party, or go live with audio, and you will start streaming on Tango. So moving out from this section like this, at the bottom you can see where it says explore. So you can actually click on explore like this and see more profiles. So let's say there are some accounts you want to be seeing from a particular country. Right here where you can see nearby, you can go ahead and click on that. Click on countries like this and select the specific countries that you want to be seeing their profiles on your account. And after selecting them, those accounts are going to be suggested for you on this page. So I'm going to move out from this place, but looking right here at the top as well, you can see languages. You can click on that and select the specific language you want to be seeing here. So let's say you want to be seeing English. You can click on English and click on apply, and you're going to be seeing only people from English country where you can understand what they are saying on their live. So moving out from this section, let's simply go back. At the bottom here, you can see coins. So if you click on coins like this, if you want to buy coins, let's say you want to give someone on their live stream, you can come right here and click on coins like this. Now looking here, you can see different coins value, so you can actually go ahead and select any of them depending on the amount you want to buy. You can see their price below them, so you can go ahead and click on any of them like this, and then go ahead and click on buy. Once you've actually added the payment method, you can see that I've actually added the payment method to mine. So you can click on that payment method if you have not added, and click on add card and add your own card. So with that being said, moving out from this section, if you have already added the card, you can go ahead and click on buy and you'll be able to purchase the card. At the top left corner on your screen, you can see 0 right here. So at the top left corner of your screen, you'd be able to see the total number of coins that you've actually bought. So that is where you are going to be able to see it. At the top right corner here, you can see the message icon, the notification bell. So that is where you're going to be seeing notification whenever you do or receive any notification on your Tango. So lastly, at the bottom here, you can see where it says chat. So clicking on chat like this, this is where you can actually chat with people. Now let's say you don't want to buy the coin from the app here, you want to buy it from someone. You can come right here and chat with them and buy the coin from them by simply sending your profile ID to them, and they are going to recharge your account for you. You can as well chat with them and have fun with them. So these are the things you need to know about Tango. Alright guys, you've come to the very end of this video. This is simply the basic details you need to know as a new Tango user. So if there's any other problem you're facing using the app, you can comment it down below on the comment section, and I'm going to make a full video for you on how to fix that. I'm going to reply your comments if it does not require a video. Alright guys, see you in the next one. It's still your boy Daniel.